presenting the Redmi Note 11T 5G. The phone comes in color options of aquamarine blue, stardust white, and matte black. The phone has display of 6.6-inch FHD. The phone also has adaptive refresh rate technology, 90Hz high refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. It has 50MP high-resolution primary camera f/1.8 and 8MP ultra-wide sensor. It has 16MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. It supports connector type, USB Type-C. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 octa-core 5G processor based on 6nm process and clock speed. It also features 3.5mm jack, IR blaster and X-axis linear vibration motor. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, dual stereo speakers for immersive audio experience. High-res certified audio and splash.